Morning students, class 9. As we earlier we were doing in the class about the conjunctions and it is undone. So today we will do continue our topic conjunctions and if I am not wrong that coordinating conjunctions of additions that we have completed and today's second conditions that we are going to discuss. So let's get started. Coordinating conjunction of contrast. First we have to understand what is contrast. What does it mean? How it is used in a contrast of conjunctions. So first we have to understand about the contrast. Expressing oppositions or contrast between two statements. It means that expressing oppositions, that means two different ideas, that means two different opposite ideas. So such type of sentences we use contrast conjunctions, and there are contrast conjunctions to use in a sentences. First we have to make sure about the whether the given statement it is in contrast or not. So let's see some of the examples that I have written here, 1 and 2. The train was fully packed. This is first sentence. We got comfortable seats. This is second sentence. First sentence and this one is second sentence. So these two sentences are opposite ideas. How opposite ideas? The train was fully packed. Train पूरी तरह भरा पड़ा है, भरा हुआ है. That means it is full of crowded. And we got comfortable seats. Comfortable seats, that means हम लोग को एकदम ही comfortable seat मिला. So these two sentences forming a different ideas. So it is already through these statements we come to know about that these two statements are contrast. So we have to use contrast, that means coordinating conjunction of contrast we have to use in order to join these sentences. How to do? See, the train was fully packed. The train was fully packed, but we got comfortable seat. So here what is used as conjunction, and this conjunction is a coordinating conjunction of contrast. That means two different ideas are joined by these words but, and this is called a contrast, that means coordinating conjunction of contrast. The train was fully packed, यानी कि ट्रेन पूरा fully packed है, लेकिन हम लोगों को comfortable seat मिला. So these are the two contrast words joining by these coordinating conjunction of contrast. Let's see another example. I was angry. I did not scold him. I was angry. मैं गुस्सा था. I did not scold him. मैं उसे नहीं डांटा. अब these two ideas are expressing oppositions. Two oppositions ideas. So how do we join these contrast statements? I was angry. मैं गुस्सा था. Still, I did not scold him. That means I was angry. मैं गुस्सा था, फिर भी मैंने उसे नहीं डांटा. So these two ideas are joined by these still words, which is called conjunction. Conjunction of, that means coordinating conjunction of contrast. So here we have some of the examples of coordinating conjunction of contrast. Whenever the statements comes in contrast statements, only we have to use these contrast conjunctions. That is, but, still, yet, which is in bracket. Either you can use yet or a still. Both the meanings are same in a sentence. Nevertheless, whereas, while, only. So these are the contrast words of conjunctions that you can use in a sentences. Now, coordinating conjunction of choice. Second condition, coordinating conjunction of choice. It means that expressing a choice between two alternatives. That means in a sentences, two different statements that there is a choice. So in the cases of choice, we have to use coordinating conjunction of choice. How to do and how we identify whether it is a choice statements or not. So first we have, you must apologize. You must apologize. First sentence, and second sentence, you will be dismissed. You will be dismissed. That means these are the sentences which are, you must apologize. Apologize is the alternative with this dismissed. Is that clear? Apologize is the alternative of dismiss in a sense. तो ये सेंस में हम लोग समझ सकते हैं कि अगर उसको जरूर माफी मांगना होगा, नहीं तो क्या होगा, नहीं तो वो डिसमिस, उसको रद्द किया जाएगा, यानी कि हटा दिया जाएगा. यू विल बी डिसमिस, आपको हटा दिया जाएगा. तो दैट्स व्हाई दिस apologize is the alternative of dismiss. So in this sense there is a choice of either do apologize or take a leave. So that's why how to use the choice in a sentence, how to make a coordinating conjunction of choice in a sentence to join them, these two alternative statements. You must apologize. You must apologize, or you will be dismissed. तो यहां पे इन अ सेंस इसमें क्या बनता है, यू मस्ट अपोलोजाइज, तुम्हें माफी मांगना होगा, नहीं तो यू विल बी डिसमिस्ड, नहीं तो आप डिसमिस हो जाओगे. सो दीज आर द अल्टरनेटिव ऑफ the statements. Attend, next statements, attend to your lesson, leave the class. So these are the attend. Alternative is leave. So that's why in a sentences alternative of attend is to leave. तो हाउ वी विल मेक इन अ सेंटेंस, कैसे ये इसको हम लोग सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, बाय यूजिंग अ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन ऑफ चॉइस. either attend to your lesson or leave the class. So like this we have to join the sentence. Either attend to your lesson, या तो आप अपने लेसन पर अटेंड करो या क्लास से चले जाओ. So these are the alternative of attend to leave. That's why we have to use either or. So here we have some of the example like this, coordinating conjunction of choice that are or, either or, like we have used already here, either or, neither nor, otherwise else. Otherwise and else both are the meaning same. Either you can use in a sentence otherwise or else. Is that clear? So these are the examples that you can use in a choice of conjunctions. Now, coordinating conjunction of reasoning, what it means: one statement or fact inferred from another. That means from one sentence to the another sentence to reflect the reason. That means to express the reason of that particular statements, है ना? तो उस particular statements में वो reason को, or you can say result, or you can say what is the things or a fact that it happens. तो उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए we have to use coordinating conjunction of reasoning. So let us understand by an example, by some two examples. Sorry, we respect her. This is one sentence. She is very sincere. We respect her. She is very sincere. Why we respect her? Why we respect her? We respect her. See, this sentence reflect the reasoning. Reasoning. Why we respect her? क्यों हम लोग उसको सम्मान करते हैं? Because there is a reason. Because क्योंकि वो क्या है? She is very sincere. क्योंकि वो बहुत ही sincere है, यानी कि वो बहुत ईमानदार है. That means, so there is a reason. So that's why here is suggest the reason for something. Reason for something. Why we respect her? क्यों उसको हम लोग सम्मान करते हैं? क्योंकि because she is very sincere. This is the reason. So this reason that we use a particular word because, and this particular word because is a coordinating conjunction of reasoning. This is a conjunction. What type of conjunction? Conjunction of coordinating conjunction of reasoning. Another example: she will rise in life. She will rise in life. She will rise in life. Why she will rise in life? For she is sincere and hard working. वो जीवन में आगे बढ़ेगी. किस लिए बढ़ेगी? क्योंकि she is sincere, वो ईमानदार है और मेहनती है. So that's why this is the reason, and this reason is implies by using a word conjunction, which we call coordinating conjunction of reasoning. So these are the words, and let me clear you. For as equal to because equal to as equal to for equal to since. That means because is how the because is act as a reason. Same meaning is stand for these three words: as, for, since. So you can use here since also, for also, either because also you can use. So both the meaning are same, because it tells about the because, it tells about the reason. So these are the examples of coordinating conjunction of reasoning, and some of the example of reasoning conjunction that are for, because, since, etc. Many more. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.